In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the file you want to work on is active and visible on the canvas so you can see the elements you are adjusting. Next, select the group you want to ungroup. You can click directly on the canvas, or if you prefer precision, click the group in the Layers panel on the left. When a group is selected, you'll see a single bounding box around all of its contents, and the layer name will typically indicate it's a group. The fastest way to ungroup is with a keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and G together. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and G. As soon as you do, the grouped elements separate into individual layers. You'll notice each item now has its own bounding box, and you can move or edit them independently. If you prefer using menus, you can ungroup with a quick right-click. With the group selected, right-click anywhere on the canvas and choose Ungroup from the context menu. This performs the exact same action and is handy if you are already using the mouse to select elements. You can also access the command from the menu bar. Click the Figma menu at the top left. Navigate to Object and choose Ungroup Selection. This is a reliable option if you are still learning shortcuts or want to confirm you are applying the command to the correct selection. A quick note for clarity: ungrouping works on groups. Specifically, if you select something and don't see the ungroup option, it might be a frame component or another object type. In that case, verify you've selected a true group in the Layers panel before trying again. Once ungrouped, each element behaves on its own, making it easy to reposition items. Change individual styles, or regroup them later in a different configuration if your layout evolves. Choose the method that feels most natural to you: keyboard for speed, right-click for convenience, or menu for certainty, and you'll be able to ungroup confidently in any situation. That's it. Thanks for watching.